Let's make photo manipulation. Bring a background of lava and adjust it. Now bring a background of sky and adjust it. Apply exposure on lava background and adjust its values. Apply exposure and color balance on sky and adjust its values. Now bring a girl in PNG and adjust it. Apply level and color balance and adjust its values. Apply hue saturation and adjust its values. Inverse the mask of hue saturation and start brushing with black. Bring a fire circle in PNG and apply color balance and adjust it. Clip new layer to girl and brush with light yellow and put blend mood to soft light. Bring a magic ball in PNG and adjust it. Take mask on yellow ball and remove some parts of it. Take new layer brush with yellow and put blend mood to linear dodge. Make copy of magic ball layers and paste on other side. Take new layer under girl brush with black to give shadow effect. Thank you for watching.